Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Aditya. How are you, beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine.
Good
What
morning.
about you?
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, kids. Okay, we were on.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing?
I'm fine.
Fine
I'm good.
or good?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Very good.
Ma'am, very good.
Very good. Okay. What is this very good all about?
Ma'am, that we are attending the classes.
Okay, that you are attending the classes. So this is a good thing. You don't have to come offline, right? Huh?
Ma'am, that is not good.
That is not good. Why? Huh? Why it is not
Ma'am,
good?
there is much fun in offline classes.
That we understand, but then keeping in mind
Yes, ma'am.
your health, your life, that is more important, right? If we are
Yes, ma'am.
if we are healthy, hale and hearty, we can enjoy several offline classes. But what if we fall sick? It becomes very difficult, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Payal seemed to be so confused. Why so? All fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We were on history chapter, right?
And we have to do exercises today.
Yes, we have to do exercises today. So I hope you all are ready with your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes,
Yes. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a minute to get me my book. I was with class 9th in the previous class, right? So I could not keep the book here. Just a minute. Huh? So shall we start with exercises, with the first exercise? Yes, we'll start with Payal, right?
Yes, ma'am. First, the Bengal British India Society was formed in the year, it's 1843, option B.
1843, option B. Very good. Correct. Next, can we have Aditya telling?
Yes, ma'am. Second, the Gadar party was formed by Dash in San Francisco. Option C, Lala Hardayal.
Lala Hardayal. Option C, Lala Hardayal formed the Gadar party in San Francisco. Okay. Third one, Bhavya. Sorry, Riddhima. Riddhima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
The Ghadar party was
Ghadar.
formed by
Oh, yeah,
Lala
third
Hardayal.
one. Beta, third one you have to tell.
Okay, ma'am. The extremists split from the Indian National Congress in the Surat session.
Okay. In the Surat session. Third is option C. Very good. Fourth one, Bhavya.
The Muslim League was formed in the
League.
year
The
option
Muslim
C,
League.
1960.
Bhavya, it is League. Muslim League. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. League. The Muslim League was formed in the year option C, 1906.
Okay. Fourth is option C, 1906. Very good. Fifth one, can we have Anushka Sharma telling?
And I am finding.
Okay. So can we have Angel Anand doing the same? Angel Anand, are you there? Angel, are you there?
Ma'am, Angel Anand or me?
Angel Anand. चलो एंजल आप ही बता दो.
Ma'am, actually, I'm also finding, but still, ma'am, Bhagat Singh and
Batukeshwar
heard worms in the Legislative Assembly in option B, 1905.
नहीं बेटा, option C, 19.
It is 1929.
Yes, ma'am.
1959, option C. Okay. Now B. First is partition of Bengal. When did it happen? But I told you in the last class. 1905. Very good. Option E. Second, Kakori conspiracy case.
1925.
D, 1925. Very good. Then third one.
Ma'am, it's 1913.
Gadar party was formed in
1913.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
1913. Okay, option A. Fourth, Payal will tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 1916.
Lucknow Pact was signed in 1916. Very good. Fifth one.
From 1909.
Fifth one is 1909. The Morley Minto reforms were introduced in the year 1909. Right? Very good. C1. C. Priya.
The first political association to be formed in India was Landholders Society.
Very good. First is Landholders Society. Very good. Can you all see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Second one, can we have Ayush Agarwal telling?
Okay. The Swadeshi movement started on 1905.
7th August 1905. Third one, can Ansh Patel tell?
Yes, ma'am. The Act of 1919 introduced the system of Montague-Chelmsford reform.
वो तो
Ma'am, it's diarchy.
आपको बताना है हाँ विकास सिस्टम इट वाज डायarchy ओके
Okay.
हाँ it introduced the diarchy system where the two people, like I told you that it was a system where two independent authorities were given the chance to control the government. Okay. Can we have is Angel not active in the class right now? So why is she there in the class unnecessarily if she's not responding? Huh? चलिए Angel, only Angel.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
The Indian National Congress was founded by
Ma'am, A.O. Hume.
Very good. A.O. Hume. Very good. Fifth one. Ridhima.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
The first All India Political Association was formed in 1838.
No. First All India Association was formed in.
Ma'am, O.A. Hume.
Formed in year you have to tell.
Ma'am, 1885.
Ma'am, 1838.
Yes. Na 1885 beta.
Okay, ma'am.
It is 1885 and it was the INC which was formed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to the exercise. Shall we start with Payal now?
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of this one.
Okay, anyone who knows can.
Ma'am,
raise
is it
their
true?
hand.
Is it true? I think.
It is asking you Indian nationalism arose because of initiatives by the British. How can it be true without?
Ma'am, initiatives by the Indians.
Yes, it is false. The statement first is false. And you have to underline British or put a cut like this and write early nationalist leaders. Fine? Fine, class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then, second one, Bhavya.
Okay, ma'am. The extremists oppose the policy and techniques of the moderates. Ma'am, it's true.
The extremists opposed the policies and techniques of the moderates. It is true. No corrections to be required. To be done. Very good. Third one, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. In protest of the partition of Bengal, the Swaraj was started. Is it true?
Yes. Is it true? Do you really think?
Ma'am, false, ma'am, because it was started for the boycott the foreign goods.
Swadeshi movement. Yes, Aditya, it is false. Because when the partition of Bengal happened, it led to the beginning of the Swadeshi movement. Swaraj to be underlined and cut, and in place of Swaraj, Swadeshi to be written. Right?
Okay.
चलिए नेक्स्ट बेटा, कैन वी हैव रिद्धिमा टेलिंग द नेक्स्ट आंसर?
Okay, ma'am. The Muslim League was formed by active support of the British. Ma'am, true?
Yes, it is true. Very good. Fifth one, Ayush Agarwal.
The revolutionaries failed because they were unable to secure mass participation.
True or false?
True.
It is true. It is true. Very good. Okay. Those excuse me. Coming to the exercise, answer the following in 10 to 20 words. When was the Indian National Congress formed? Ayush?
1880.
Okay,
1885.
First is 1885. Second, Chaitanya will tell this answer.
May I?
Yes.
Ma'am, on page number 95, below the heading of Hindustan Republic Association, Ram Prasad Bismil, Jogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Shanyal, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad were the leading members of the association called Hindustan Republic Association.
ठीक है, Hindustan Republican Association, Ram Prasad Bismil, Jogesh Chatterjee, Satyendra Sanyal, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad were the leading members of this organization, right?
Yes, sir.
It is on page number 95, right hand side. Second last paragraph, okay? One to 4 lines. First 4 lines, okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one. What did the Lucknow Pact bring about? What did the Lucknow Pact bring about? Who will tell this answer?
May I?
Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, Hindu-Muslim unity.
Yes, the Lucknow Pact brought about the Hindu-Muslim unity. Very good. It brought Okay, fourth one, Chaitanya. What did the Morley Minto reforms introduce? What did the Morley Minto reforms introduce? Batao?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Payal.
Payal, yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, the Morley Minto reforms introduced separate electrodes for Muslims.
Batao?
Ma'am, it introduced separate electorates for Muslims.
इसको अगर हम ऐसे लिखे, बिकॉज ये शॉर्ट आंसर है, तो इसको अगर हम ऐसे लिखे that the Morley Minto reforms, this was this was introduced to bring some constitutional reforms in the British government, right? Or you can simply write that the Morley Minto reforms were introduced to appease the moderates of the Indian National Congress and the leaders of Muslim League. Fine, class?
Okay, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else for the same question?
Ma'am, but on page number 98, recap it's written.
बेटा वो तो फीचर बता रहा है ना, हमें ये बताना है कि मॉर्ले मिंटो जो हमारे जो मॉर्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स थे उन्होंने क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करा, ये बताना है ना हमको. तो आप ये बता दो. अच्छा ठीक है, इसको ऐसा कर दो, इस शॉर्ट में लिख दो that it introduced a separate electorates for the Muslims and it extended the number of members in the legislative councils. This will be okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It introduced separate electorates for Muslims this is first, and the second one you write that it extended the number of members in the legislative council. Fine. 15 to 20 words में हो गया आपका ये. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Give the names of 3 associations formed prior to the founding of the Indian National Congress. INC से बनने वाले पहले 3 organizations के नाम बताइए. बेटा बताओ. प्रिया और पायल और रिधिमा. Okay, Ridhima, tell beta.
Some of the early political associations included: the first political association to be formed was the Landholders Society at Calcutta in 1838. In 1843, the Bengal British Indian Society was formed. The Madras Native Association and the Bombay Association were established in 1852.
ठीक है. Early political associations before INC were first Landholders Society, at Calcutta. Second, you write Bengal British India Society. And the last was the Madras Native Association. And Bombay Association. Fine. Is this clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Coming to the F exercise. चलिए अब आप आ जाओ F एक्सरसाइज पे. F is 50 to 70 words. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Who will tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first answer?
Can I?
And me.
Ma'am,
Haan.
may I?
Okay. Priya.
May I?
Priya.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
The early demands of the Indian National Congress included first, increased participation in the Legislative Assembly, second, immunization of the civil service, third, reduction of military expenditure and tax burden, and providing more funds for educating Indians.
Very good. The early demands. The early demands of the Indian National Congress were INC were A. Increased participation in the Legislative Assembly in the LA. Okay, Legislative Assembly. B. Indianization of CS, civil services, reduction of military expenditure and tax burden. और आपका D is providing more funds for education. Providing more funds for education. Fine? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Funds for educating. For educating Indian. Right? Second answer. What made the Indian nationalists aware of the unjust nature of British rule?
Can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the Indian nationalists aware of the unjust nature of British rule as the indifference of the British and the continued economic exploitation and the impoverishment of the country made the Indian nationalists realize that the British government was not sincere and just. Therefore, they gradually lost faith in it.
Very good. So this answer is on page 94. Right? Left hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
Second para. Full. In points. Fine? Ansh, fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third question. Can you read out, Ansh, the second answer again? Ansh, can you read out the answer for me? Second one. Class? Ansh, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya. Third question. Name some of the political associations formed before 1885. Yes, Payal.
Some of the
Acha, Aditya, tell Aditya.
Some of the political association formed before 1885 are. The first political association to be formed was the Landholder Society at Calcutta in 1838. In 1843, the Bengal British Indian Society was formed. In Madras, Native Association and the Bombay Association was established in 1852.
Very good. Have you all underlined this question?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 3 dotted points. Okay? Along with years and everything you have to mention. Then what were the limitations of moderate policies? What were the limitations of the moderate policies? Any one of you?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Angel.
Okay, ma'am. What were the limitations of moderate policies? Page number 93, under the heading of limitation of the moderate demand. Up to 1905, there was no fundamental departure in these aims of the Congress. The moderate had firm faith in the British sense of justice and fair trade. Hence, they continued with prayers and petitions. The British, however, turned a deaf ear to requests of the Congress.
Okay. And second?
The indifference of the British and the continued economic exploitation and impoverishment of the country made
Full stop. Country के बाद full stop. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
You will write first point that the British turned a deaf ear to the request of the Congress. In the first point, you will write the British turned a deaf ear to the request of the Congress. And second, the indifference of the British and the continued economic exploitation and impoverishment of the country. Right? Class, is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 5. What was the significance of the Lucknow Pact? Batao?
Can I tell?
Yes, beta, tell bacha.
The anti-British feelings were generated among the Muslims following a war between Britain and Turkey, which opened the way for Congress and Muslim League unity. And then both the Congress and the Muslim League held session at Lucknow in 1916. Then the Congress accepted the separate electorates, and both organizations jointly demanded dominant status for the country.
Yes.
And then the extremists were also readmitted into the Congress at this session.
Very good. Very good. You will give 4 points that Payal has told, right? Or Priya has told?
From Payal.
Payal. Fine. So can we have Bhavya repeating the answer again? बेटा रिपीट कर दो आंसर को बच्चे. All have underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए next answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for F4, we just have to write 2 points.
For which question?
F4.
F4, 2 points that I have made you underline. Only those points you write.
I'm not from page number 93.
नहीं वो पूरा नहीं पूरा लिखने का कोई औचित्य नहीं है ना बेटा. It does not make any sense actually. है ना? हाँ. Bring out the role of revolutionaries in the freedom movement of India. Bring out the role of anyone for this answer? Class?
I'm finding.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can we write this one, revolutionary activities outside India, the paragraph?
No, why outside India? Both you can take. Both you can take up. The previous paragraph also tells you so many things about the revolutionary activities, no?
Okay, ma'am.
I think sufficient time is not left with us. So you find the answer for the next 3 questions and we will discuss them in the...
There are 5 questions.
Okay, 5 questions. Fine. You find the answers for these 5 questions. We will discuss them in the next class that we'll have on Monday. Am I clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So you find the answers, or if any doubts you have, you can ask those doubts.
Ma'am, there is no doubt.
Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write this answer in points.
Yes, all the answers that we are doing need to be given in points. And kindly make sure that your work up till here is complete when we come to the next class, right? Convey to the other...
Okay, ma'am.
Convey to your friends as well. Generally, what is the strength of the class since morning?
Ma'am, 15, 20?
14, 15. Yes, ma'am.
Not more than that.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Why
No,
is it so? Why they are not attending?
I'm don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
They are enjoying at home, I think.
No, you are also sitting at home.